My China Bazaar have come to this electric bike factory. Over here, you get to see this bike. The display is quite a different one. With a, you can see the display is much better. It can be configured as per your requirement. This battery, the battery over here, it's an external charger. Over here, basically, this bike can be modified into a version of 72 volt, 60 volt, 48 volt as per your requirement. And we had a talk with the factory people over here that the speed can be increased. Like if you want a speed of 45 kilometers per hour, it's fine. It's 55 kilometers per hour, it's fine. For 75, 85, to increase the speed, we have to increase the motor capacity. The motor capacity is generally provided with 1000-watt engine, the 1000-watt motor. If the 1000-watt motor is increased to 2000-watt motor, the speed will be increased to from 55 kilometer per hour to 65 kilometer per hour. So if you're requiring a high modification bike with the speed bikes, you can contact us, or we can provide you the better modifications for this purpose.
然后部分车型的仪表是可以做定制版，定制的，对，一般定制，就是这边有的车型是可以的，有的车型它不行，具体要看。然后像我们可以做这种不同的仪表。